this video, you're going to learn how to ollie while moving right after this.
Get off my lawn!
So you've been trying to learn how to ollie while moving for a while. You've been standing still, learning your ollie, maybe in your bedroom, maybe in your bathroom, maybe out in your driveway. Finally got a little bit of height. All right, so now we need to learn how to ollie while moving.
While moving!
That's right, while moving.
Yes.
Find Gomez at Gomi_shreds on the IG. I have a little bit of fear with this. My fear with ollieing while moving is the landing part. I'm always afraid I'm gonna like roll out or something.
You'll land the wrong way.
Or I'll like scuff up my ankles. So let's talk about first of all how to do it and then how I can conquer that fear of landing weird on the board.
So first of all, the number one thing while moving is you want to keep your body, your weight above the board. If you don't have your weight above the board, and you'll probably end up landing behind it or in front of it, and that's what will get you to slip right off the board.
That makes sense.
Your weight above the board. You're moving, so with the momentum, you gotta, hop, scoot, jump.
Yep.
Keep your body up here.
Okay.
And you'll get that.
So what's the difference between standing still while ollieing and actually moving?
See, all right. So whenever you're standing still, it's actually for me, it's actually a little bit harder, and hopefully later on it'll be a little bit harder for you too. Okay. Because you're gonna be so used to ollieing while moving. But whenever you're standing still, you have a lot of this.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Whenever you're moving, you're staying consistent.
Oh, okay.
So you gotta use that to your advantage. While you're moving, the momentum that you're gonna be going is gonna help you stay on top of the board, and so you pretty much just gotta stay on top of the board at all times.
Okay.
You have to keep your shoulders above you. You can't have them, to the side. Remember, wherever your shoulders are, that's where you're gonna end up.
So when you say stay on top of the board, you mean like stay over your board while you're in the air?
Yeah. So pretty much whenever you're ollieing,
yeah,
and you come up,
yeah,
try to throw your body forward. Whenever you throw forward, you're not really gonna throw forward. You're just gonna stay on top.
I got you. So you're trying to balance out from going from that back foot to your front foot and just balancing your body out, right? Okay.
So whenever you do that, just kind of push or throw your momentum a little forward, and that'll get you to stay on top of the board.
You say that you need to raise your knees a little higher while you're moving, doing a moving ollie?
Yes. Yeah, it'll help a lot just on the whole landing part too, and it'll make your ollie look a lot cleaner. It'll bring it up a little bit more too.
So we have Kate here with us. Hey, Kate, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm good.
Great. So Kate here is learning how to ollie, and we're going to be learning how to ollie while moving today. So what kind of struggles have you found while learning how to ollie while you're moving?
Really just like getting used to the moving aspect and like realizing I'm not going to fall off the bag when I'm moving and like hoping that the momentum will keep me on the board and help me also get higher in my ollies.
So do you feel like it's the launch that you struggle with the most or the landing?
I feel like it's the launch because I still get the pop, but I don't necessarily jump when I'm doing it because like jumping while moving on your skateboard is a little scary for me still. So.
Yeah, the whole launch and landing kind of thing is a little freaky. Yeah, so I think you got this. So with Gomez's help, I think maybe like sliding the foot a little more, jumping up a little higher, probably got this.
Yeah, I think that'll help.
Yeah, you're doing great. So keep up the good work.
Thank you.
You can find her on Instagram at skate_Kate. We'll leave you an infographic so you can find her there. Keep up the great work. How do I break that fear of landing correctly? The fear of not, landing in front or behind the board. Just keeping my shoulders above the board.
Yes.
And then do I need to stomp down on it or anything?
It helps a lot to stomp down on it. It gives you more confidence. It makes you know that you're gonna get it. Okay. So I mean, as long as you keep your body weight on top,
right,
that your whole fear should go away eventually.
Okay.
Just doing it over and over again. For the reason that you're always gonna be above your board. You're not gonna be on this side. You're not gonna be on this side. And, usually you land on this side.
That makes sense
right away. So I mean, so that fear is going to go eventually away.
Okay.
Just stay on top of it.
All right, so you have just learned how to ollie while moving. Get out there and try that out. But if you need to start from the beginning, check out our playlist right down here. It'll teach you how to ollie. And also check out this video right up here. That is going to be how to ollie for distance. You can find Skate at skate_Kate. What? Oh, I did. I thought it was great other than that. I felt really good about it. You can find... I almost did it again. That was not as fun.